Hello, and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Have you ever heard of cream chip beef on toast? It's famously known for shit on a shingle. Let me tell you, this is an old recipe. My parents used to eat this. Crazy, right? It's basically thin beef with a cream sauce over toast. That's what it is. It's real easy, so let's get to the ingredients. We have 4 ounces of dried beef, 3 tablespoons of butter, 2 cups of milk, a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And you can't forget your slices of bread. You want to make sure it's toasted. So here is the beef that comes out of the container, and I'm just showing you here. Now you want to be careful with this when you're salting your roux because the meat is very salty. So I will wait on salting that after you have put everything together. So here we're going to melt our butter, and now we're going to add our flour. And we're just basically making a gravy or a roux. I cook mine a little bit to get the flour taste out and to get a little color. And here I'm just going to add my milk slowly and continue to stir until my roux becomes thick. Here I added my pepper and my salt. I could have left the salt out. Like I said, the beef makes it real salty. I cut up little pieces of my beef because I wanted to have control of my gravy once I added it to my toast. So I have added all the beef in, and we're just going to incorporate everything. And my roux is a little bit thick. You could thin it out, but I left it like this. I'm just going to place the beef and the gravy on top of the toast. Now it's good. This is a quick, easy meal. Something just to munch on, and it costs nothing to make. I think the beef was a couple of dollars, and if you have toast and you make your own gravy with some flour, butter, and some milk, and you have it there. We have some cream chip beef on toast, also known as shit on shingles. We're going to be doing more series like this. But if you like this video and you want to see more like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching Baby We Eats.